Cleaning your house the old-fashioned way can be risky business, and struggling with expensive pressure washers and leaky sprayers is no day at the beach. Instantly turns your garden hose into a powerful pressure washer, so you can clean windows up to 40 feet away, wash away dirt and debris from patio stones, and keep fences looking as good as new without repainting. The Pat Power Washer features a variable water pressure flow control and an adjustable spray nozzle that delivers 8 customized sprays to tackle dozens of cleaning jobs around your home. Use the powerful jet spray to deep clean patio furniture without scrubbing and remove stubborn grime from outdoor decks. The fan spray to quickly wash away leaves and mud from your sidewalks. Or the vertical spray on your boat and jet ski to remove salt water. You can even wash away road dust from your RV in a snap. Best of all, you can easily go from keeping doors and windows sparkling clean to quickly clearing leaves from your gutters and instantly watering your flowers with a gentle mist, all with the EasyJet Power Washer. But it doesn't stop there. Add soap to the custom dispenser to blast away greasy residue from your barbecue grill, remove grimy grass stains from your lawnmower, and give your car that showroom finish without using a bucket or a sponge. Order now.